These videos will talk about the physical-based lighting within Vizrt 4. And Vizrt 4 uses physical-based rendering, which tries to approximate the shading of geometry using realistic lighting models. So the end result is actually a more accurate lighting environment. So here's a quick example scene and something that we'll be walking through to show you all the textures and 3D objects and the lighting options within Vizrt 4. There are a couple of things that you need to know when working with the Vizrt 4 Fusion pipeline. And the first of that is that you need to go into your scene settings here, and within your compositing or rendering settings here, we have an option for Render Engine version 3 or version 4. You need to make sure our rendering engine is set to version 4. So if you are familiar with Vizrt 3, then these 8 lights that you are familiar with in that version are now gone. And within Vizrt 4, we are using what's called PBR lights, and we can have a spotlight, a point light, a directional light, or an area light to work with within our scenes. And we'll discuss each one of these lights, show you how to use it. What's more, we also need to use some what's called PBR materials, and you can see here we have several materials here that we can use to texture one object. And beyond that, we also need to use what's called an environment map. So we can come into our scene settings here again, and within our asset placement, we're going to need an environment map. So these are a couple of things that we're going to need in order to use the version 4 render pipeline.